How to pick up your baby without hurting your back or neck. Hi, I'm Navdeep Kaur from Emerald Hills Physio in Sherwood Park. Let me guess, your neck is stiff, your back is sore, and your shoulders feel like rocks. You are not lifting weights at the gym. You are lifting your baby, car seat, stroller, and laundry basket on repeat. Today I'm going to show you how to pick up your baby properly and protect your back, neck, and shoulders while doing it. The problem: why it hurts. Here's what we usually do. We round the back, strain the neck forward, lock out the knees, and lift from the spine instead of the legs. Over time, that leads to low back pain, neck tension, shoulder stiffness, even wrist and pelvic issues. The physio-approved baby lift. Try it with me. Let's fix that. Here's how to lift your baby the right way, step by step. Stand close to your baby, feet hip width apart. Bend your knees and hips, not your back. Engage your core and pelvic floor. Exhale as you lift. Keep baby close to your body as you rise. Bonus tip: use a small breath out when lifting. This activates your deep core and reduces pressure on your spine. What about car seats and cribs? When lifting from a crib, lower the side if possible. Get as close as you can. Bend your knees slightly and hinge at the hips. Avoid twisting. Pivot with your feet instead. For car seats, pull them to the edge of the car first. Brace your core and lift with both hands close to your body. Never twist and lift in one motion. How Physio at Emerald Hills helps moms move better. We work with new moms every day to rebuild lifting mechanics, relieve back and neck pain, improve pelvic floor coordination, release tight muscles from repetitive strain, create a safe movement routine for parenting tasks. It's not just about avoiding injury, it's about feeling strong again. Lift with confidence. You don't need to live with daily aches and pains. Let's retrain your movement and protect your body so you can focus on what matters most. Book your postpartum movement session with me at Emerald Hills Physio in Sherwood Park. I have already hurt my back. Is it too late? Not at all. The earlier we assess and treat, the faster we can reduce pain and retrain how you move. Can you show me how to lift a toddler too? Yes, toddlers are heavier and wringlier. We go through customized strategies for each age and stage. Is this only for moms who had a C-section or vaginal delivery? It's for all moms, no matter how you delivered. Your body needs safe movement strategies. If this video helped, give it a like, share it with another mom, and subscribe to our channel for more expert tips. You are not just a mom, you're an athlete in training every single day.